Sentara's internship program aims to help young college students decide if their future is in healthcare. Every part of the healthcare experience is important, but you normally don't think of housekeeping as being high on the list. Ashley Knight introduces us to one intern who is making a difference before she even graduates from college.
That's right, Regina. Rylie Winston is a sophomore at James Madison University. At 19, she is solidifying her spot in hospital administration thanks to the internship program at Sentara Health. Her supervisors say she's bringing a fresh and energetic eye to the environmental services unit. Considering Rylie Winston's background, you wouldn't think she'd be interested in a job at a hospital.
My family actually owns a prom dress store. But I've been through a couple of things with my family where family members have gone through health battles in hospice and hospitals.
Finding a niche in hospital administration, she's focusing on the environmental services team. She looks at data from patient surveys that rate patient satisfaction during their hospital stay and zeroes in on the housekeeping scores and looks to improve them.
We want to ask them how the courtesy of our housekeeper was, the cleanliness of their room.
Going above and beyond, Winston has printed up flyers for each room with pictures of the cleaning staff. She's added notices to let patients know when their room has been cleaned, and she also wants to make sure employees get the thanks they deserve.
Overall, I really wanted to help boost team morale in the department. I made some certificates and I put them up on the wall, and I also created a monthly certificate system, so every 2 weeks the people that have increased the most in their scores will get a certificate and a gift card to our coffee nook in the hospital.
Winston is one of 20 summer interns across Sentara, working in areas like administration, finance, information technology, and others. But these interns aren't just getting coffee or filing paperwork, they become part of the team.
When Rylie came in, I really didn't have time to go up to the floors to see if I can find, to see what was going on with the patients. But we made time together and we went up together and we talked to the patients. She would ask the patient how their room was clean, was anything else that we could do for them.
At the start, many interns may not be sure of their future, but by the end, they find making a difference in others' lives is a real calling.
And I realized in those places that the people that work there are truly rays of sunshine, and I knew that I wanted to be that person for someone one day.
And Rylie says they have seen improvements in those scores. She graduates in 2 years and says she definitely wants to go back and continue her work in hospital administration. To learn more about Sentara's internship program, you can visit wavy.com. I'm Ashley Knight, 10 on your side.